Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. In this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So this year around the QA section or the quant section in general was a little bit on the more difficult side. That is the kind of question that has been asked this year around, where they seem to be a little bit on a difficult level, and also everything been said, this year the questions they seem to be more calculation intensive, and also they require the in-depth understanding of the subject matter, that in turn contributed towards making the section more complex, and in turn paper more complex. Okay, so we'll be taking a question from the paper itself. The question that we'll be focusing on in this particular video is of selection or permutation or combination chapters. So we'll take that question and try to discuss the same, so that we can get a general idea on how to go about solving this kind of questions whenever we come across them further down the line in any examination. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. How many ways one can select at least one book out of 8 identical physics, 9 identical English, and 6 identical Hindi books? Okay, so we have identical books, and how many way we can select at least one book of all this. Okay, so now let's try and understand one thing. Okay, let me try and explain something to you. So suppose, let me give you a concept. Number of ways to select any number of identical things from n things is given by n plus 1. Okay, so this is a very important point, so keep that in mind. Let me give you an example. Suppose I have two identical things. Okay, now one way I have to select any number. One way I can select this, I can select this alone, I can select this alone, or I can select both of them. So total 3 ways, right? Again, suppose I have 3 things, I can select this alone, I can select this alone, or I can select this alone, or I can select all 3 of them, or rather, okay, so I hope this is clear. So here again, or I can select all 3. So again, here there are also 4 ways. So this is the concept behind the scene. Now, if we talk about all the things, so here is given 8 identical physics. Okay, so for this case, we have, so selecting 8 in 9 ways for 9 identical, we have 9 in 10 ways and 6, right, and 6 in 7 ways. Okay, so therefore total number of ways will be 9 into 10 into 7, that is 630. Okay, now but what we need is we need at least one. Okay, so we need at least one, so let us remove, it's given, right, we can select at least one book, so we remove the case where we have 0 selection. Therefore 630 minus 1 equal to 629. This will be our answer, 629. So I hope this is clear to you. So in case you have any doubt with respect to the way we came about with the same, kindly go through the video a couple of times and then subsequently try and get the idea of what the approach we have taken towards solving the same. Okay, try and get on board with the things we have talked about, so this will be clear to you. Okay, having said that, in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to get in touch with us. So for that, what you can do is go through the description of the video wherein you'll find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email IDs, our numbers for call, text or WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us on all those lines. Any doubt you might have with respect to your competitive exam preparation related strategies, or doubt or queries with respect to some certain subjects or any topics or any concept related queries that you might need our expertise on, feel free to connect with us on all those lines. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. So having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. We will continue our discussion on the similar kind of questions in the subsequent videos, and until then I'll be signing off. Thank you so much.